Hello guys, you're welcome to Crypto Space. I'm Chiwumba Augustine. Well, you can see today that the market is all green right now. It's just like a lawn, a very green lawn, or perhaps you can say it's a football field. Well, today we're going to be talking about Apecoin. Apecoin has shown some level of resistance to the inflation that is happening, which goes a long way to tell us that the Apecoin community is stronger than we've now, the Apecoin is 38 on the ranking with a market capitalization of 1.35 billion. Wow, that's a lot for Apecoin. And with a trading volume, 24-hour trading volume of $648.18 million. Well, that's a huge amount. Well, let's look at how Apecoin has performed so far on Binance. Let's see how it's going. Apecoin has showed an unexpected level of resistance to the economic inflation, which is very, very surprising and intriguing as well. It goes a long way to tell us that the Apecoin community is much more stronger than we've anticipated. The Apecoin had his publicity, had gained his popularity from the popular NFT board APH. You know, when board APH first came up, people were just hearing of the board ape, and then all of a sudden they all started hearing about ape coin was all over the place. And just February, just this March this year, most exchange companies listed apecoin on their exchange, and it was listed on Binance on the 16th of March 2022, which is a few months ago. And on the day of listing, it moved from $1 to $28. That's definitely the surge of listing. It happens to most major coins that has popularity and publicity. Now, but since then, it has dropped down and it has been struggling with volatility like every other market. Now, let's move down to what has happened in the past couple of weeks, right from when we had the first sale that caused the pegging in Terra Luna, down to when we have this major sell off that also pushed Bitcoin to 18,000. Now, if you check, it hasn't really affected uh, Ape much like it affected most of the altcoin, because most of the altcoin lost close to 20% value. Bitcoin lost more than 17% and Ethereum the same thing. But now, if you're looking at Apecoin now, it didn't seem to have lost so much significantly. Now, if you're looking at the candlestick here, well, not necessarily the candlestick, but the value between the high and the low, if you're checking it, it's trading at 4 right now, and it went as low as 3 and it came up again. Let's say it was at a high of around yes 7. Now, if you're looking at it, you're gonna realize that the market is stronger than we anticipate. It's stronger than most altcoin market. Now, this is a green light to tell you what is going to happen in the future with Apecoin. Now, there's a prediction that Apecoin is going to hit an all-time high in 2025 at a price of 15, yes, $15, yes, and it might hit a low. It might hit a low of 12 $11, but it's going to be trading around $13 in 2025. Well, I say that Apecoin is definitely going to crash down to around $3. Yes, it might happen in the next couple of months, but eventually it's going to push up this year to around $9 $10 maximum. $9 $10. Apecoin is going to do so well because it has a very strong community and it's getting popularity every day. Like I said, Apecoin was popularized by the popular Bold APH. Now, the moment we all got hearing about Bold APH, we started hearing about Apecoin. Personally, I never knew much about Apecoin until I heard about Board Ape, and then it got listed on the major exchange. Now, Apecoin is a coin filled with prospects. Now, investors and long-term traders have taken advantage of the movement so far, and they've been doing well. But like I said, if you're trading right now, this moment, in this current market condition, you'll have to be very, very careful and study the market very, very well before going in, because it's much more dicey than you expect. Now, this is where it's currently trading at right now: 4.5698. You can see how the market has moved so far. Now I had to draw this triangle, so you'll have to see an illustration of what get a clear illustration of what I'm trying to give you, a clear view. Now, if you look at it so well, you're going to see that the it has not had a significant push like Bitcoin. If you check, the candlesticks differ in less values, let's say like $1, $2. Yes, unlike Bitcoin that lost close to like $4,000, made like a $4,000 movement, much more than that rather. So the community is stronger than most of the altcoin community. That is one thing you have to realize. And then if you check the market volume, it has its highest market value volume rather the second day it was launched on Binance, because we're using Binance to look at it right now. It has its highest trading volume. But since then, it's been having good volumes, but it's been dropping, but it is very, very respectful. Epcoin is a coin that is going to do great in the future. I'm not doing a publicity for Epcoin. I'm only reviewing the market possibility of Epcoin. Yes. Well, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for coming around, and do well to click the like and the subscribe button, because if you don't, I'm going to be very, very sad, because it helps me a lot to know that YouTube actually sees what I'm doing, because if you like, YouTube is definitely going to notice me. So kindly click the like and the subscribe button, and you can turn on the post notification as well, and drop a comment or a question on the comment section. I'm definitely going to take my time to reply to all of it. Thank you for sticking around, and this is for Epcoin Review.